Best Mini-ITX Gaming PC Build 2025 RTX 4060 Plus i7-12700K 32GB DDR5 Ultra-fast gaming setup. Looking for the ultimate compact gaming PC in 2025? Today, we're showcasing a custom Mini-ITX gaming build powered by an RTX 4060 Intel Core i7-12700K and 32GB DDR5 RAM, all packed inside a small but powerful open frame case. Whether you're into 4K gaming, streaming, or heavy multitasking, this build delivers insane performance in a tiny form factor. This is a brand new build, completed on January 10, 2025. Everything is tested, updated, and optimized for maximum gaming performance. GPU gives Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4060 Evo OC 8GB GDDR6 DLSS 3 HDMI 2.1a Dual BIOS. Motherboard gives Asus ROG Strix B760i Gaming Wi-Fi 6E. Mini-ITX DDR5 up to 7600 mount. CPU gives Intel Core i7-12700K 12 cores, 20 threads up to 5.0 GHz. CPU cooler gives Thermalright Aqua Elite 120 V3AO liquid cooler with a RGB. RAM gives 32GB Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 216GB 7000 MHz CL34 XMP ready. Storage gives 2TB NVMe Gen4 SSD with ultra-fast PCIe 4.0 speeds. Case gives gaming overclock creative open-air frame Mini-ITX chassis. PSU gives 700 West SFX full modular plus 80 gold certified PSU. OS gives Windows 11 Pro. Connectivity gives Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth. With this setup you can expect 4K Ultra settings gives over 100 FPS in games like Cyberpunk 2077, GTA V, Apex Legends, Fortnite, and COD Warzone. Ray Tracing plus DLSS 3 gives smooth 144p 4K gaming with zero lag. Blazing load times gives thanks to Gen4 NVMe SSD speeds. Silent cooling gives a I/O liquid cooler plus quiet fans keep tongue under control. Even during intense gaming sessions, this build proves that small form factor PCs can deliver big performance. Compact size gives length 30 cm, height 26 cm, width 22 cm. Perfect for gamers on the move. Clean, open-air design for easy upgrades and better cooling. This gaming PC comes fully updated, ready to plug and play. If you're looking for a powerful Mini-ITX gaming PC in 2025, this build is perfect for you. Order now before it's gone. Like, share, and subscribe to Mughal in Kuwait for more gaming PC builds and tech reviews.